Here I have Super Saver Jumbo in the color Starburst print. And I have a 4.5mm hook, if it adjusts. It's not adjusting. So I am going to chain 3, nope, chain 4, sorry, single or slip stitch in the very first chain, chain 3, and in the center of the stitches I am going to do 2 double crochets. Well, chain 2, so that's 3 stitches right there. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 doubles, now chain 2, three doubles, and chain 2. And 3 doubles. So 1 section, 2 section, 3 section, 4 section, chain 2, slip stitch together. This is the start of a granny square. Thanks. See, it's coming along. Okay, here the granny square's gotten bigger, and I've been flipping it over and working both sides. So let's do this corner stitch here. So double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same spot, Then I chained one, and now I'm doing 3 doubles. Chain one. Goes to here. Okay, so there it is. Chain 3. Turn. That is the start of the first, or that's the first double in here. So 3 doubles. Chain one. 3 double. Chain one. 2 double. 2 chain. 2 double. Because that's a corner. So you can see the string where I started right here. This is the back side. That string will be tucked in, sewn in, whatever you want to call it. This just makes it more square, it seems, by flipping it. Granny squares can be used for lots of different things. Blankets, sweaters, scarves, halter tops, whatever. I'm on a corner, so it's 2, 2, and 2. I am doing a granny square baby blanket right now out of True Blue Red Heart Super Saver. So I am coming to the starting point of this row, or this round. So 2 more sets here. And then slip stitch to the top one. And there is a full complete round. Let's do the chain 3 and turn. So then I will start right here with the doubles. And then this area gets chain 1, and the space stitches get the doubles. Thanks. All right, so here's the granny stitch, the granny square that I've been working on. So every other row every row I flip it. So right now we're on the back side. So I'm coming to a corner. So 2 doubles, chain 2, 2 double, chain 1, always chain 1 in between. So now 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles in the space. Oops. So chain 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles in the space area, which is the chain 1 on the row before. I have my scissors and my hook. It keeps grabbing on here. So granny squares can be put in anything, and you can have like just, oops, that one came undone. But you can do just like a couple rows. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This one is 16 rows, but I have 2 skeins of this, so I'm going to keep going and make a blanket. You can do it 4, you can do it 5. When you do them smaller like that, then you have to sew them together with a bigger needle, a darning needle, and the yarn that you're using. So I'm just going to continue around, and I'm going to show you the turn. So all of these ones around, see right here's my other end. So all these ones around get 3, 3, 3, 3. Corner gets 2 plus 2 chains, and then 2 doubles in the same corner. Now, some patterns on granny squares require you to slip stitch and then chain so many up and go. To me, this is a more old-fashioned granny stitch because nowadays they don't say to turn. So, and every crochet stitch, you can mix and make your own crochet pattern like that. This one is just going to be a baby blanket. I am only not even half into the skein. It is the Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo in the colorway Starburst print. So, there's the corner, I just did it. There's the chain one already on there. So double, 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 chain one, double, 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 chain one, double, 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 chain one, double, whoops, too far. Wasn't paying attention. This double crochet is a basic stitch. So I'll do the 3 doubles in here, chain one, and slip stitch. And you could make them as big as you want for the blankets. I still go back and check on sizes on Google or Pinterest. So now I'm going to chain 3 because I slip stitched it, and I'm going to turn the work, and I'm going to do 2 doubles because that first chain 3 counts as a stitch. So 1, 2, 3. So then it has the 3 doubles in there. So chain 1, go to the next spot. And just remember when you get back to the end, so you'll keep going all the way around, but it does have the raised area where you started. So you'll do the 3 doubles here, chain 1, and slip stitch in here.